I see your face in every sunrise. The colors of the morning are inside your eyes. The world awakens in the light of the day. I look up to the sky and say, you're beautiful.
No crying. We're good, baby.
Tomorrow we'll be going to Temecula.
Fine.
Probably won't be using this audio recording, but we forgot to do it for our nuptials, so...
And we can redo those. It's okay.
Megan Angelina Rivera,
Yes.
to you,
I'm not a
to
Rivera.
this man, to be
I
your
do.
lawful wedded husband, to love and to cherish,
I
from
do.
this day forward till death do you part.
I do. You're the best.
Jason Prairie, do you know what I do?
Yay.
So I now have the privilege and honor of pronouncing you to be husband and wife. You may celebrate with the kids.
And I just want to say, Jason, I know that Levi has a great and amazing role model to look up to, just like I had all these years.
You are the man that my sister has dreamed, prayed, and wished for her entire life. And you are the sweet, kind, gentle man with her. The way you make her smile, the way you make her laugh, the way you guys have a playful nature with each other, the way you father Levi. It is so beautiful to watch, and I'm so happy for you. So could everyone please raise a glass to Mr.